Okay, so hopefully you've had some time to try these. Now let's go over the results. So first thing I would do here is realize that these are actually supplementary. The reason why is because this one would also be 10x plus 5, and then we know that adjacent, or consecutive is the word, consecutive angles are supplementary. So anyway, we have 10x plus 5 combined with 6x minus 1 together has to equal up to 180. So let's add the expressions, 16x plus 4, and then we could subtract 4, and finally we can divide by 16. We get x equals 11. And now we can plug back in to figure out the measurement of the missing angles. So we have 6 times 11 minus 1, so that's 66 minus 1, or 65. So that goes in for this angle and also for this angle. And then we could do 180 subtract 65, and that leaves 115 for the top two angles. So W and X, and then 65 for these ones. Right, so these are going to be equal to each other, right? So we have 21x minus 16 equals 18x plus 5. Subtract 18x and add 16. So that gives 21 and 3x, so that when you divide you get x equals 7, right? Substitute back in. So we'll go into here. So we have 18 times 7 plus 5. So 70 and 56. So that's 126 plus 5 is 131. So we have 131 for the top two angles, and we could do 180 subtract 131. That gives 49 for the bottom two angles. Okay? So we have 131 and we have 49. And last one, these two angles are also going to be supplementary. So we would add the expressions and set equal to 180. Right, we have 17x minus 24. So we add 24 to both sides. And then we can divide by 17. And of course, if you're having trouble with your division, you can use your calculator. No problem there. So 204 divided by 17, you get 12. Right? And now we can plug back in. So 3 times 12 plus 1. So we get 36 plus 1, or 37. So that's our top two angles, and then 180 minus 37, 143 for the bottom two angles. Right, so when we fill these in, we get 37 and 143.